Parshas Dvorim. Rather than speak on the Parsha itself, it's a few days before Tisha B'Av, and we'd like to speak a little bit about Tisha B'Av. This shmuz is adapted from a shmuz of Mourn Hagoyin Reb David Leibowitz, Zeichat Tzaddik Livrocha, the Miyasid and Rosh Yeshiva of Yeshivas Chavetz Chaim. Chazal tell us that Kol HaMisabel al Yerushalayim, whoever mourns for Yerushalayim, Zoiche v'roya b'nechamosa, will be Zoiche and see how Yerushalayim will be comforted. So we have to learn, we have to know how to mourn properly for the Botei Migdash. The Gemara says in Masechta Mayit Kotten, the Gemara says on Daf Chav Ches Amid Beis, the Gemara says, Oma v'yoma Rova l'Rabba bar Mori. Rava said to Rabba bar Mori, he posed the question, Ksiv bei b'Yoshiyahu, it's written by Yoshiyahu, L'chein hineni eisivcha ala v'secha v'ne'esafta el kivreisecha b'shalar. You're going to die. Chulda HaNeviah prophesied, Yeshayahu, you are going to die, and you will die b'shalom, in peace. And the question is, uksiv, but it's written, Vayoru hayorim l'melech Yeshayahu, the archers shot Yeshayahu HaMelech, v'omar Reb Yehuda, Amarav, she'osuhu kigvora. They made him like a sieve. He was repeatedly shot with arrows so many times. A misa mishuna. They made him resemble a sieve. Yerushalmi brings down that 300 arrows went through him. And the question is, the Gemara is asking this question, the prophecy was he's going to die b'shalom. And yet, the Pasuk says that he died with repeated arrows that pierced his body like a sieve. That's the kasha of the Gemara. Amalei Hachi Amar Rabbi Yochanan. This question is being answered by the Gemara. Shalei Chorav Beis Hamikdash B'Yamav, that the destruction of the Beis Hamikdash did not happen in his days. He died b'shalom because he did not witness the destruction of the Beis Hamikdash. And to explain this, it seems that which is worse? Which would be worse? Would it be worse for him to live and witness the destruction of the Beis Hamikdash, or to be killed as he was with this Misa Mishuna? And the Chazal are telling us that the fact that he was spared and he was not witness to the Beis Hamikdash being destroyed, that would have been worse than dying the Misa Mishuna that he did. The aggravation and the terrible feeling of what the Beis Hamikdash meant, and to see it being destroyed, would have been a more difficult thing to be able to withstand than the actual being pierced with so many arrows. This should give us some insight as to the meaning of the Beis Hamikdash, what it meant that the Beis Hamikdash was destroyed. This gives us some meaning on how to mourn for the Beis Hamikdash. It would have been more difficult for Yeshayahu to remain alive and to witness the destruction of the Beis Hamikdash. It would have been more difficult than dying this Misa Mishuna, being pierced with 300 arrows. We have a little idea of what the Beis Hamikdash meant to Klal Yisrael, what the Beis Hamikdash meant to Gedolei Yisrael. They understood the meaning of the Beis Hamikdash. Shem should help us be zeicha to mourn properly for the destruction of the Botei Mikdash, and in that schus will be zeicha to be roya b'nei chamta. We should see the comforting and the comforting of the rebuilding of the third Beis Hamikdash. Amen.